All right, it says in the xy plane, the line y equals mx plus b, which looks to be in slope-intercept form, where m and b are non-zero constants, is tangent to the circle defined by this equation here. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25 at the point 5, comma 1. What is the value of m? So if I read this question carefully, the m here is supposed to be the slope of the line of tangency. It's the slope of the tangent line. Now, this question might be geometry based, but I do see something about slope, so this makes me think that this could be an algebra related question. It might just involve both a little bit of algebra and a little bit of geometry. Let's see if I can get an idea of what this is saying in a picture before I do any calculations. Well, if I'm supposed to remember that the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the center of this circle appears to be, well, when h is equal to 1, and k would need to be minus 2. If r squared is 25, then r should be the positive square root, which is equal to 5. So it seems like the center of the circle is something like this. Then it goes 5 in each direction. So it looks something maybe like this, just to give a rough sketch of what's going on. I don't need to be perfect here, but I do want to know that at the point 5, comma 1, which I will estimate as being about this, seems to be some tangent line that hits this. Now, the fact that this line seems to be going down tells me that it should not be choices C or D. It needs to be one of those negative answers. But how can I get a better idea of which negative slope it's going to be? Well, what I can use is a fact in geometry that whenever you have a tangent line to a circle, you can draw a radius to that tangent line. And what's very important is that you can guarantee there's a right angle in between them. Well, if I know that, then this is actually quite useful because those two lines, the radius and the tangent line, are perpendicular. This is going to be the key to solving the question. If I have perpendicular lines, I'm supposed to remember that those slopes are opposite reciprocals. So what I can do is I can find the slope of the red line, take the negative reciprocal to get our answer. What's great is that I know that 1 comma negative 2 is this point, and this point up here is supposed to be 5 comma 1. We can find the slope in between those two lines, or 2 points. Let's see. That would be 1 minus negative 2, 5 minus 1. That looks like it would be 3 over 4. But that's not our answer because we still didn't take the negative reciprocal. If we do that, then it would just be the negative reciprocal of 3 over 4, which is negative 4 over 3, giving us our answer here.